Hello students, this is Amjad. Welcome to my YouTube channel Amjad Concepts. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic is from real numbers, how to prove irrational numbers. This is from 10th class, first chapter, real numbers, exercise 1.4, how to prove the irrational numbers. Here the question is like this, prove that root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational number. This is what we have to prove. Okay, for this, let root 3 plus root 5 is rational. Take as rational. Assume this. Okay. If it is rational number, what is the form of rational number? Root 3 plus root 5 is equal P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0. P comma Q are the co-primes. Okay? P comma Q are the co-primes. Now, in this case we have the root for both terms, both numbers. Okay, now squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equal P by Q whole square. Okay, it is form of A plus B whole square. Nana. A plus B whole square is equal A square, nothing but root 3 square, plus B square, root 5 square, 2ab, 2 into root 3 into root 5, that is equal P square by Q square. Okay, now root square cancel, root square cancel. 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2 root 3 into 5, 15 is equal P square by Q square. Okay, now this 8, this integer coming this side minus, so 2 root 15 is equal 8 coming this side, P square by Q square minus 8, it can be 8 by 1. Okay, now 2 root 15 is equal, here Q square is the LCM, then P square minus 8Q square. P square minus 8Q square by Q square. 2 coming this side will become by root 15 is equal P square minus 8Q square by 2 into Q square. We got this one. Listen, it is P by Q form and where Q not equal to 0. Nothing but rational number. That means root 15 is equal to, we got rational number. Root 15 equal to rational number. But we know that root 15 is equal to root 3 into root 5 na? Okay, root 3 into root 5, both are prime and both are irrational number. Root 15 also irrational number. Root 15 irrational. Okay, these two statements are contradictory to each other. We got root 15 equal rational, but root 15 is irrational. Okay, so our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? What is that? Root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. That is a wrong. Therefore, root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, now that's it. Squaring on both sides. Okay, we got like this. 2 root 15 equal to P square by Q square minus 8. Root 15 equal to P square minus 8Q square by Q square. Okay, root 15 equal to p square minus 8q square by 2q square. Root 15 equal to p by q form nothing but rational, but root 15 is a irrational number. These two statements are contradicting each other, so our assumption is wrong. Okay, what is our assumption? Root 3 plus root 5 is a rational number. That's the wrong. So root 3 plus root 5 is a irrational number. Okay, coming to another one. Root 5. Prove that root 5 is a irrational number. Prove that. Listen. Root 5 is irrational. Okay, listen. Let root 5 is rational. Okay, take root 5 as a rational number. What is the form of rational number? Root 5 is equal a by b, and where b not equal to 0 and a comma b are coprimes. Coprimes means coprimes nothing but having no common factors except 1. Okay, now square by cross multiplication, a into 1, a is equal root 5b, a is equal root 5b, squaring on both sides, then a square is equal 5b square, a square equal to 5b square. Here 5 is divides a square. We got a square equal to 5b square now. That means 5 divides a square. Here 5 divides a square. If 5 divides a square, then 5 divides a also. We have one theorem. If p is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. If p divides a square, then p divides a also. So here 5 divides a square, 5 divides a. 5 divides a. Say equation number 1. Okay, here 5 is a prime number. Okay, now here listen, a is a 5 multiple. So let's take a is equal to 5 into some integer c. Okay, substitute in this. A square 5c square is equal to 5b square. 5c square equal to 5b square. 25c square equal to 5b square. Cancel 5 ones, 5 times. 5c square equal to b square. Okay, here 5 divides b square. Why? Because we got b square is equal to 5 multiple. Nothing but b is divided by 5. So here 5 divides b square. 5 divides b square. If 5 divides b square, 5 divides b also. As per theorem, 5 divides b also. Say equation number 2. If p divides a square, p divides a na. Same way, if 5 divides b square, 5 divides b also. Listen, here we got first equation and first statement, and that's the second. By these two, 5 divides a, 5 divides b. From 1 and 2 statements, 5 divides a and b. A and b. 5 divides a, 5 divides b. By these two we can say that 5 divides a and b. That is nothing but 5 is a common factor of A and B. Is it clear? 5 is a common factor of A and B. But A comma B are the co-primes. They don't have the common factors. These two statements are contradict to each other. Listen, 5 divides A and B, but A comma B are co-primes. A comma B are co-primes. So it's contradict to each other. These two statements are contradict. Okay, A comma B equal to 1 is a contradict. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. That is, root 5 is irrational number. Root 5 is irrational number. Okay, now root 5 is irrational number. Listen, we took root 5 is a rational number. Nothing but A by B and A comma B are the co-primes. Okay, squaring on both sides we got A square equal to 5B square. Here 5 divides A square. Okay, as per theorem, if P is a prime number, if P divides A square, then P divides A. In the same way, here 5 is a prime number. If 5 divides A square, 5 divides A. Say equation number 1. Okay, here 5 divides A na? Nothing but A is a multiple of 5. Then only it divided by 5. So A is equal to 5C. I took A is equal to 5C. Substitute in that 5C whole square equal to 5B square. 25C square equal to 5B square. 5 5 ja. So 5C square equal to B square. Okay, nothing but here 5 divides B square. If 5 divides B square, 5 divides B also. Statement 2. From 1 and 2, 5 divides A, 5 divides B. Nothing but 5 divides A and B. 5 is a common factor for A and B. But A comma B are the co-primes. These two statements are contradict to each other. So our assumption is wrong. What is that? Root 5 is a rational number. That's the wrong. Then what is correct? Root 5 is a irrational number. Okay? Okay friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.